I'm a woman that loves to be modeled.
Okay. Oh, go on, we find as though I'm not no
I'm after you say you want.
Yeah, that's you call the very welcome, ma.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. My pleasure.
And who are you?
If you I'm a security supervisor.
I thought as much. You look like them.
Sir, please, can you tell us what is going on here today?
Okay, they are doing our mother makeup.
Makeup for
one of the Nneomas, you know. There's a song. There's a song, a new song in town, very special one for mothers. It's titled Nneoma by Chief Imo. You know, and we are preparing for the video shoot. We want to make out very beautiful and interesting, attractive, entertaining, educative, gorgeous and decent video for people out there to watch. So today is day one of the shoot. You can see all the beautiful mothers around. This is one of the mothers. I know everybody can praise in there. There's something about that person. And if you're a mother, you should be a mother. Rather being a mother and then you're a murderer. So we selected mothers of virtue. Or English, what do I know? A virtue. A vulnerable mothers. A vogal. So today everybody is set. Very soon you will see them in a very different atmosphere.
And they go disappoint them.
Or English. When you need disappoint, come make an interview. You need disappoint. So that is.
Come on. Good morning, ma'am. What do you have to tell us today?
I'm here now. Like Imo said, a new song in town. It's all about mothers, appreciating mothers. And we're all here to support him and also be part of the musical team. Shake our waist a bit as much as we can. People like us that can dance will do what we can do. I go and that's it, you know.
Thank you, ma'am. You are welcome. As you can see, Miss Coco. Miss Coco, what do you have to tell us in this musical video today?
Actually, it was it's very fragile, not fragile. Yeah, it's good to celebrate our mothers. No, so this music is so touching, so touching. Mostly it makes me feel so emotional whenever I'm listening to that music. So, but for those of you who still have mothers, who their mother is still alive, please take good care of your mother. It's a very strong message. Okay?
Sugar, say you don't know what to do. Sugar, come here.
Amarane.
Hello.
Amarane, can you tell us something today? What is going on here today?
Okay, today we're here for musical video of Nneoma from Chiefimo. You know the music now. I never knew. I am. So we're here to do the musical video to appreciate Chiefimo for releasing such a beautiful song. In fact, that song is one of the best songs ever. I've told him already that it's gonna win an award. This song is the best song that it used to touch me like inside my heart. And I want to also use this opportunity to encourage everybody. If your mother is still alive, if you have a mother, respect your mother. Mothers are supreme. Mothers are supreme. They are unique people. that you need to appreciate. And Chief Imo have really done well by releasing this kind of music to encourage and to appreciate mothers. I appreciate you for doing that. I want to say, everybody, love your mother. Oh, love your mother. Mothers are rare. They are not easy to just serve. Those of them that have lost their mother, please, you all should take heart. Yotago, appreciate everybody. Thank you so much.
Onye nwere ihe ka ndị nnaba gị enyela m gịnị bụ ihe ka ndị nnaba gị enyela m mama amaka nne ri ụtọ ha ya mma ya mma nne ri ụtọ nne amaka ezinne ezinne nne dị mma nne bara ure n'ụna n'olumaye nne dị mma ayama yama mama ezi mama o ayama yama mama o ezi mama mo ayama yama nne mama ezi nne mụrụ m Nneoma Nneoma